Cooking with friends can be a fun and inspiring way to spend time together. Cooking together gives you the opportunity to bond over a common activity and to create delicious food together. Plus, it's a great way to get inspired in the kitchen. There is nothing better than a fresh, warm chocolate brownie straight out of the oven. The chocolatey goodness is absolutely irresistible, and the perfect way to satisfy any sweet tooth. Whether you're enjoying them on their own or with a scoop of ice cream, chocolate brownies are always a crowd pleaser. So why not bake up a batch today? You won't regret it. Galaxies are so big and so beautiful. They contain billions of stars and extend for millions of light years. They are some of the most awe-inspiring things in the universe, and most people love looking at pictures of galaxies and imagining all the wonders that they contain. It's very easy to get inspired just by looking at these amazing, constantly evolving galaxies.